might notice that I am dressed up a hair.
Yeah, we're a little dressed up. It's Sean's birthday. We're going out to dinner.
Yeah, we're gonna go out to dinner, but we figured we would do this first.
We're committed to the wine box, so
Yes.
we had to film this, and then we're going to dinner. So
Yeah.
a little sip of wine before we get our night started.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
What do you think they gave me for my birthday?
I think you're probably right. I think it's probably, you said.
I said I
A
want it to
red.
be red, but it might be a white from California was my prediction.
I think it's gonna be New Zealand.
New Zealand. All right, well I'll let you do the honors.
A red from New Zealand.
Ooh, I wonder what that would be like. I've only heard a white from there.
I changed my answer from yesterday.
Red?
Red from New Zealand.
Okay. I'll let you do the honors.
All right. What day's your birthday? Just kidding. Where is it? 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. Oh, right here. Closest to me. I'm gonna put it in the box. Oh, it's a white. Oh.
What?
Okay. Chardonnay from Australia.
Oh wow.
Interesting. I didn't know they have Chardonnay in Australia.
Okay, well,
Interesting.
whoever's coordinating this box, I want a red for my birthday next year. Thank you. Not a white from Australia.
And a Chardonnay at that.
Right.
It's like, ooh, that's not even.
This might be an interesting one.
Yeah. I've never heard of a Australian Chardonnay.
Well, this will be interesting. Maybe it's something new that we will really. Oh, I don't want to look at the back. It might be something very tasty. I'm excited to try it. Even though I didn't want a white for my birthday, this will be a nice starting point for our evening.
Yeah,
here. So
that's true.
it is room temp, which again is not my favorite, but we'll try it out. So I will open this up and
Cool.
we'll get it poured, and
Do you want me to open it since
Oh.
it's your birthday?
I'll do it. I'll do the honors for my birthday here. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish we got like a pop. Do you think we'll get a champagne
I don't
in
know.
here?
Ooh, I don't know.
I didn't think about that.
I
Like
didn't
a
either.
small champagne?
Well, I mean,
Small
you could do it
sparkling?
like a
We
split.
haven't had a sparkling wine yet.
Oh.
So
I
it's
feel like
interesting.
the sangria might have been like a little effervescent. Or
Maybe, yeah, I couldn't tell. It had little bubbles when we poured it, but
No?
this is
I
definitely
mean, you
not
could
good
do a
for
split, maybe.
Yeah.
Like a champagne split
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
Okay, so Chardonnay. Oh, I'm not gonna.
The
smell
white
the
label
bottle.
matches our white attire. Mm.
Very golden.
Very yellow, yeah.
So either it's gonna be very oaky or very buttery.
Smells like butter.
Does it? Right. So Australian Chardonnay, which is something I've never ever heard of.
Yeah. I never knew that was even
Ooh, it is very buttery.
buttery, yeah.
A little sweet.
Yeah, sweet, floral.
I'm not smelling a ton of like oak though.
No, me either. Just more butter, floral.
Right.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It's acidic.
Very much.
Light.
Very, very acidic actually. Getting a little like maybe apple.
Yeah. Tart.
Apple like it's making my mouth water actually.
Interesting.
Yeah. Huh.
Okay.
Where was the Chardonnay from that we liked a couple days ago? France?
Was it?
Yeah, it was another kind
Yeah, because I thought it was like similar to a white burgundy, right?
of. Right.
Yeah. Interesting.
Huh.
This is more acidic than the other Chardonnay.
Yeah. This is
I like it.
Me too. Like cold, this would probably like rival like a Pinot Grigio.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
Sauvignon Blanc,
like,
Pinot Grigio.
You call it a Chardonnay, but like it doesn't.
It's interesting how different these wine varietals can be. Like you have the same varietal grown in different places and they taste completely different.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting. So, this Australian Chardonnay is fresh and elegant, highlighted by enticing notes of ripe pear. Okay, so I said apple. I'm still in the, ballpark.
You're in the room.
On the palate, it is lively and crisp, offering a light and refreshing character. 2024, Southeastern Australia. So,
Really good.
I wonder if you lined that up with like,
A different place on the
Napa
map,
or
yeah.
France, like where it would fall in like the winemaking regions of France or California or the United States, period. Yeah, 2024. So this is lower alcohol actually. So 12.5. Everything else has been in the 13.5 ballpark.
Except for the sangria. The sangria was really light.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Nice.
nice.
Wow. It's actually not bad. So why don't you scan it real quick? We're not gonna hold everybody up today on my birthday. We're gonna give you
We have places to be.
We're gonna give you a present too. It'll be a short and sweet wine review today. So you can give us a couple thumbs up for that.
Chardonnay made its debut in Australia in the early 1970s with the first commercial plantings in regions like Hunter Valley and Adelaide Hills. Despite the recent introduction, Australian winemakers quickly recognized the potential of this versatile grape variety. Through the experimentation and dedication, they refined their techniques, adapting Chardonnay to the unique climates and soils of Australia. Yeah, I figured. It's interesting. It's probably a lot drier soil there.
I don't know.
Okay. Australian Chardonnays were gaining international acclaim for their quality and distinctive styles, often characterized by ripe tropical fruit flavors and a balanced use of oak, if any. Today, Australian Chardonnays continue to evolve, and winemakers embrace both traditional and modern approaches to create a diverse range of expressions, from lean citrusy to rich and creamy. This ongoing innovation has solidified Australian Chardonnay's place on the global wine stage, celebrated for its elegance and complexity. Seafood, chicken, pasta, cheese plate, salads, or vegetable dishes.
Yeah, I would say
Really good.
this is another appetizer wine.
Yeah, definitely.
Is
This
it-
with like a crab cake.
Yeah,
Some
like
seafood.
a lobster salad or like
Yeah.
something very light.
Yeah, really good.
If this was cold, maybe even no food at all. But it does. This is citrusy and like really crisp and like light. So
I was worried about the color. I saw the color and I was like, oh, this is going to be an oak bomb.
right, right.
But no, it's pleasantly surprising. So
Right.
I like it.
Well, and this is something that like gets you ready for dinner.
It's appetizing.
Yeah, it does. It makes your mouth water, so you're like, ooh, I'm ready for some food or something. So,
Yeah.
cool. We can rate this really quickly, and then we will get to dinner.
Hey.
So, Australian Chardonnay.
Don't listen to my drawings.
Ready?
Oh. I saw your.
Don't cheat.
I saw it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just in the 7.5 range the
We're
last
point-
couple days.
0.5 off.
Yeah.
I like it equally as much as the red.
So again, if you remember from a couple days ago, I don't gravitate towards whites. I prefer reds, but I enjoy whites depending on what wines I'm drinking,
Yeah.
like the temperature outside, what I'm pairing it with food wise.
He seems very picky.
No, I just like
The temperature outside, the smell in the air,
I just like
if it feels right.
I prefer red wine. If I'm drinking white wine, it's like soup for me.
It's gotta be right.
No, I mean it's like soup. I can't eat soup when it's 90 degrees outside. I can eat soup when it's like below 40. No, there's like a very specific. I'm very seasonal with my a lot of my eating. I feel like, or maybe some of like the drinking. Whites in the summer, they're refreshing. Like this would be a refreshing wine. You're having a
Definitely.
cheese plate or some like light seafood or something like that. Like
Orzo pasta
yeah.
salad.
Oh man. Orzo pasta
hungry
salad.
now.
Yeah. This would be delicious. Like going with that.
Yeah.
So, I can get into that. Like when it's cooler outside. Like
You want a little bit more
Yeah,
heavy,
something
comforting.
heavier. But this is really a great wine.
Really good,
So,
yeah.
thanks for spending a little time on my birthday with us. Give us a couple thumbs up.
For Sean's
Wish
birthday.
me a happy birthday in the comments below. Let's make this video the video that you know, people actually watch. So, just kidding. No, anyways,
We're
thanks
doing it because we enjoy it.
no, this is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And again, this is fun for us. So
Yeah.
it doesn't have to be fun for everyone.
We're gonna open this wine advent calendar whether we filmed it or not. So
Right.
I was like, why not film it? And then hopefully someone finds it entertaining or
useful
or something.
Yeah.
So
So thanks for watching
Yeah.
with us.
cheers.
Thanks for day 14. We'll see you
Thanks
tomorrow.
for sticking around if you've watched all 14 of these videos so far.
And we'll see you tomorrow for day 15, which is going to be a red from South America.
Yeah, sounds good.
Cool. We'll see you tomorrow.